AMSOIL Power Foam Carburetor and Induction-System Cleaner. AMSOIL Power Foam improves engine performance by removing gum, varnish and carbon deposits that affect power, operation, idle and fuel economy. Power Foam cleans intake valves, intake manifolds and throttle plates to keep the combustion intake system running at peak efficiency. Effective in both 2- and 4-stroke gasoline engines. Power Foam helps reduce engine ping and keeps carburetors and injector systems operating like new. Power Foam is safe for fuel injectors, catalytic converters and emissions control devices. It will not damage seals, gaskets, rubber or plastic materials commonly used in gasoline engines. AMSOIL Power Foam performance features include: cleans deposits from ethanol and degraded fuel, removes gum and varnish, maximizes horsepower, restores startability, helps improve fuel economy, reduces pollution. Power Foam applications. Use with UTVs, ATVs, boats, motorcycles, lawn equipment, tractors and automobiles. Join the millions of proud AMSOIL users to experience the difference and get your AMSOIL Power Foam today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the preferred customer program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.